Hey guys, I'm Joseph.
And I'm Johannes. I'm a professional cook.
And I'm a product designer.
Last year we made the Frankfurter bread, a kitchen workbench for professionals and for kitchen freaks.
Now we are back. We made a product for everyone.
Well, let's start from the beginning.
The solution is so simple.
Extensible steel brackets that hold two containers. One for waste and one for food.
This is much more than just a cutting board.
It's a new way of cooking.
And it's 100% großartig.
And we added something new.
And we think you're gonna like it.
Your cutting board can now hold your tablet or your cookbook. So, this is our new product, and we're so excited to show it to you today.
And it feels great to be back on Kickstarter.
If you like what you see, support our crowdfunding.
Share it with your friends.
And help us to get this to market.
And to all our supporters from the first campaign.
Vielen Dank.
Thank you.
I'm Yair Reiner, and this is Frywall, a new kitchen tool that makes cooking neater than it's ever been. For centuries, inventors have sought ways to block splatter and avoid the drudgery of cleaning the stovetop. Frywall cracks the code by combining the flexibility and heat resistance of pure silicone with a simple, elegant design. The sidewalls shield the stovetop but let vapor escape, so food sears perfectly. The angled sides also leave the cooking surface easy to access, so you can add, remove, or flip ingredients at any time. It's a huge improvement over splatter screens, which can't stop oil mist and has to be removed to get at your food. Frywall keeps whatever you're cooking, even that huge pile of greens, neatly inside the pan. So So whether you're making a porterhouse steak, sauteing some kale, or making some tomato sauce, Frywall keeps the sizzle in the pan and the mess off your stovetop. Afterwards, just put Frywall into the dishwasher and then roll it up into the simple, neat sleeve. Frywall is made of pure, high-temperature silicone. No BPAs, no plastics, no toxins. It looks playful, but it's amazingly tough. I've been using this one like crazy for the last 6 months, and it's still perfect. When I started, silicone experts told me Frywall would never work. The mold would have to be too big, the biggest ever for a kitchen device. Frywall wouldn't be rigid enough, it wouldn't stand up. It would be too expensive. Finally, I found a manufacturing partner who shared my vision. The same silicone pioneer who introduced the silicone cupcake pan 30 years ago. Now, all the hurdles have been overcome. The molds are made and the first production run is underway. This Kickstarter campaign will help fund the first production and also make sure we can keep on making Frywalls without interruption. For a pledge of $22, we'll send you this 10-inch Frywall. For a pledge of $29, we'll send you the 12-inch Frywall. For a pledge of $50, we'll send you both and even throw in free shipping. Thanks for your support. I know you'll love cooking more when the mess is less.
Here at GoSun, we believe the sun is capable of powering our lives, so we create solar-powered devices to fuel the world. Today, we're excited to release the GoSun Go, a solar stove that roasts a meal in minutes, can be taken anywhere, works any day, yet remains cool to touch no matter how hot. Just like it's named, the GoSun Go comes in a bomb-proof package, ready for outdoor adventure or relaxing at home with friends. If you're craving a hot drink or need to sterilize water, flip the adjustable stand and use it vertically to boil. 14 ounces are ready in as little as 30 minutes. The secret to our breakthrough technology is the solar vacuum tube, which acts as a perfect insulator, trapping your food's moisture and flavor. Cooking made us human, and it continues to bring us together. It's an international language and an art.
As a kid, I was encouraged to explore and pretty much do whatever I wanted, and I was really attracted to cooking because of the creative process involved. It's like my creative outlet even to this day. And I love gathering friends and family together and serving up a hot plate of food. I'm Patrick Sherwin, and I'm a solar energy guy. I've been working with renewable energy for a long time, and I came up with GoSun 5 years ago, and we were chasing a big dream, trying to fit fuel-free cooking into the bellies of people around the world. It's clean, easy, and healthy. And for some people, this may be the only alternative where they're not burning something for dinner tonight.
Most people think that solar is too expensive or that it doesn't work. So GoSun has made an affordable solution that's 4 times more efficient than solar panels and works its magic whenever needed. Packed with power and free from batteries, the GoSun Go is something you can take anywhere to cook up a hot meal or drink with no effort. No gas, no fire, no safety hazard, and no mess to clean up.
The GoSun Go is like a ticket to an adventure with no strings attached. There's no fuel to burn, there's no mess to clean up. It's in this tiny little case that you can take anywhere. You can cook just about anything through the clouds, through the freezing cold, all just with the power of the sunlight. And what more could you want?
When it comes to outdoor cooking, we're just getting better at burning and smoking meat. That's the same thing we've been doing for 350,000 years. GoSun invites you to join the 21st century solar revolution. We want you to experience the magic of the sun and share its goodness.
Loki is a Wi-Fi meat thermometer designed to help you cook the perfect meal. Loki works with ovens, grills, and smokers. It's easy to use. Simply plug a probe into your chosen meat, and Loki keeps you updated when your steak or smoke is done. Always connected and in the cloud, so you can leave the grill or your home with peace of mind. You can track progress and monitor your cooking anytime and anywhere. Loki will even predict when your meal will be finished. Make your life easier. Forget those timers or going back and forth to check on that pork shoulder you've got in the smoker. Let Loki notify you when it's the perfect temperature. you can load a ghost profile from a previously saved masterpiece and reproduce it every time. You can even share recipes, pictures, and cook profiles with friends and family through social media. Let Loki tend to the grill, and you can enjoy your friends and family. Stay connected with Loki.
Life is not easy. We have to handle a lot of things. Cooking could be one of the challenges. Everyone wants to eat delicious, healthy, and cheap, and every year we spend 200 to 300 hours on cooking at home or waiting in restaurants, but because of much oil fume, complex cooking skills, and time consuming, we can't cook our favorite food. Sometimes this drives back to fast food, unfortunately. Is there any other choice? Now, we have a solution. OneCook, a fully automated multi-cooker using robotic technology. It acts as your private chef and personal nutritionist. OneCook offers fresh food packages, which is a basket containing every ingredient for a meal, like meat, vegetables, sauces, and more. OneCook device connects to the internet through local Wi-Fi. Users can look for favorite recipes on OneCook platform, onecook.menu, through any mobile device, like computers, smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, or even cars. After loading the basket into OneCook, you just simply click Cook and can be away from the kitchen, while OneCook fully controlling dispensing ingredients, stirring, temperature control, and vapor control. When cooking is done, OneCook will notify you for dining. In addition, OneCook provides extra advanced functions, such as cooling ingredients for storage and in-advance timing for cooking. It also allows you to customize recipe programs, intelligently optimize recipes for certain diets, and share recipes with your family and friends. Want to know more? Have one and explore it by yourself. OneCook, not the future, is right now.
If you're like me, you like good food, but cooking takes too much time and energy, and the result is not always amazing. Is it hot enough? Is it done yet? Can't follow ambiguous online recipes? Or just got distracted? Time for takeout again. Real chefs spent years mastering their craft, and that's great, but you don't have years. You want steak. Like now. You need a way to stop guessing and just cook things right every time. You need Pantelligent. This is Pantelligent. It's a frying pan. You put it on a stove and cook on it, just like any other frying pan. No buttons, no switches. But once you get the Pantelligent app on your mobile device, it gives you the skills of a master chef. You see, Pantelligent has a temperature sense right at the center of the pan and sends data wirelessly to your phone while you cook. What's for dinner tonight? Steak? Salmon? Bacon? Mushroom risotto? Bacon? I'm in the mood for salmon. Let's cook. Pantelligent wants to know how thick the salmon is, so it can adjust the cooking time and temperature, just like a real chef would. Pretty smart. There's no pairing or setup, just tap the phone to the handle. Pantelligent tells me when the pan is hot enough to start, if the heat is too high or too low, and everything else.
Flip the salmon.
Thank you, Siri. How's that looking? It does that every time. If you can follow GPS instructions when you drive, you can follow Pantelligent instructions when you cook. Our lawyers say you can't do both at the same time. Ha! The secret ingredient is temperature control. Pantelligent recipes are programmed with the ideal time and temperature and intelligently adapt to cook your food perfectly. You wouldn't try baking in an oven without a thermostat, so why guess on your stovetop? Don't worry if you get a little distracted.
The heat is still too low.
Pantelligent's always got your back, so you can do other things while you cook. And if your hands are busy, Pantelligent will send alerts right to your smartwatch. The Pantelligent cooking system has 4 parts: the interactive software, the intelligent recipes, the pan, and the integrated electronics. This is the future of food, and it's practical, affordable, and delicious. So put away the ramen noodles, lose the takeout menus, You can have healthy, delicious, restaurant-quality food at home whenever you want. This may be the best salmon I've ever had. Really, I wish you could taste it, and we can have it again tomorrow, and so can you. Pantelligent. It cooks everything perfectly.